Ngokusho komphakathi eRivali, ukusha kwesikole akukhona kokuqala njengoba kwenzeka ngo-2012 nango-2022. Abazali banxusa umnyango wezemfundo ukuba uqinise ezokuphepha.
Our appeal is we need better security. We will also be engaging SAPS to do more patrols for us as well. And as I've mentioned earlier, we also have the wardens that patrols as well. So we are trying our best, but we need government to step up and beef up security.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthi uzohlinzeka ngamagumbi okufunda angomahamba nendlwana esikhashana okulindeleke ukuthi afakwe ngasekupheleni kwale nyanga.
Kuzokufuze-ke sibatholele indawo la baza kufundela khona nasisalungisa indaba yokuthola amakhamba ngendlwana ekungibo esisakuthembela kibo ukuthi basize abantwana bafundele ngaphakathi ngoba ukulungisa umonakalo lo kuyokuthatha isikhatshanyana.
Kusenjalo abacimi imlilo baseKapa eWestern Cape bayaqhubeka nokubhula umlilo wamahlathi oqubuke ezingxenyeni zentaba iTable Mountain National Park. Lo mlilo uqala ngoLwesihlanu entabeni Tokai. Izakhamuzi zaseNordic, iBanyard naseSilverstone kuphoqeleke ukuthi zisuswe ngenxa yokubhebhetheka ngamandla komlilo.
Through the night, we had 250 firefighters on the ground from multiple agencies that were fighting the fire. The wind got stronger at about midnight and there were flare-ups which they had to actively fight.
Akukacaci okuthungele lo mlilo, kepha uphenyo lokuqala luveza ukuthi lo mlilo kungenzeka ukuthi uthungelwe ngenhloso.